Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical: installing an Xfinity Comcast door sensor for 2025. If you're looking to beef up your home security, this little device is a game changer. It alerts you instantly if a door opens unexpectedly, giving you peace of mind. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so even if you're new to DIY projects, you'll nail it in no time. First things first, gather your materials. You'll need the Xfinity Comcast door sensor kit, which includes the sensor, mounting tape or screws, and batteries. Don't forget a screwdriver if you're using screws, and make sure your Xfinity app is updated on your smartphone. Safety tip: turn off any alarms or security systems before starting to avoid any surprises. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox your sensor and insert the batteries. Most models use standard AAA batteries, so pop them in and ensure the sensor powers on. If it doesn't, double-check the polarity. That's just making sure the positive and negative ends are correct. Step 2. Choose the perfect spot on your door. The sensor has two parts: one for the door frame and one for the door itself. They need to be aligned within a ½ inch when the door is closed for accurate detection. Clean the surfaces with a damp cloth to remove any dust. This helps the adhesive stick better. Now, for step 3, mounting time. If you're using the adhesive tape, peel off the backing and press the sensors firmly in place. Hold for about 30 seconds. If you prefer screws for a more permanent fix, use a screwdriver to secure them. Make sure they're level to avoid false alerts. Step 4. Connect to your Xfinity system. Open the app, go to Devices, and follow the prompts to add the new sensor. It should scan and pair automatically, but if it doesn't, restart your router or check for interference. Finally, step 5. Test it out. Close and open the door a few times to ensure the sensor triggers the alert on your phone or security panel. If everything works, you're all set. If not, troubleshoot by checking the battery or realignment. There you have it. Your Xfinity Comcast door sensor is now installed and ready to protect your home. This upgrade is straightforward and takes less than 15 minutes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.